This video is about some common mistakes we might make during the lab. The first one is the use of the units and engineering notations during the calculation. In activity 2, when we're calculating the current from our measurement, the capacitance is measured in picofarad, dV is measured in volts, dt is measured in microseconds. By just using this unit, it's very hard to tell what's our final units for the current, and we might make mistake because of this. So it is better to convert these units to standard units, for example, farad for capacitance, volt for dV, and seconds for dt. By doing this, we can make sure the units for our currents will be amp. And the second is the ground pins. So the ground pins for both channels of the oscilloscope have to be connected to the same node. If we don't connect the ground pins to the same node, the oscilloscope cannot measure the voltage properly. And this is another common mistake we might make. And the third one is the polarity of the capacitors. In many applications, the polarity of a capacitor are really important. So for example, for the electrolytic capacitors, you can tell the positive and negative terminal by looking at the length of it. The longer one is the positive terminal. Or if you look at the body of the capacitor, sometimes there will be a bar that indicates the negative terminal of the capacitor. And in our diagram, if we draw a capacitor using this symbol, it means we don't really distinguish the polarities. But if we draw it in this symbol, it means the polarities are distinguished.